Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to find the value of x where 9 to the power x is equal to 36, or taking log to the both side we will get log of this 9 to the power x. So 9 to the power x is equal to, right side will be log of this 36, or applying formula log a to the power b is equal to b times log a. We can write this left side as this x times log of 9. So log of 9 is equal to this log of 36. We can write this as 9 times 4. This is 36. Or this left side x times log of 9 can be written as 3 square. This is 9 is equal to this log of 9 is 3 square times 4 is 2 square. Or this x times, applying this formula log of a to the power b, again here we can write b means this 2 times log of 3. Log of 3 is equal to, applying formula log of a times b is equal to log of a plus log of b. We can write log of 3 square. So log of a means 3 square plus log of b, that means log of this 2 square. So log of 2 square. Or this x times left side, this 2 log of 3 is equal to, applying formula log a to the power b, here this b, this is 2 times log of 3, log of 3 plus, similarly this log of 2 square can be written as 2 times log of 2, log of 2. Now divided both side by 2 times log of 3, we can write left side x times 2 log of 3 divided by 2 log of 3 is equal to this 2 log of 3 divided by this 2 log of 3 plus this 2 times, বারবার বলেছি যে সাউন্ডটা বন্ধ করে রাখো, কথা বলে না, plus this 2 log of 2 log of 2 divided by this 2 log of 3, and this log of 3 and log of 3 will cancel out, and this 2 and this 2 will cancel. So here it will be x is equal to this 2 log 3 and 2 log 3 will cancel, so here it will remain 1. This 2 and this 2 will also cancel. So this 1 plus this 2 and this 2 will cancel and remain log 2 divided by log 3. So log of 2 divided by log of 3, and the value of x is equal to this 1 plus log of 2 divided by log of 3. We can write this as log of 3 base of 2, and this is the solution of our given equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.